Terra Classic, August 22nd. Why do you need to know this date? We're going to be going over that in this video, and then we're also going to be going over the burns and just the most recent news on Terra Classic. So make sure you guys strap in and watch all the way until the end of this video so you don't miss any of this extremely important information I'm about to give to you guys. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more Terra Classic content. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free Discord with the second link in the description. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Terra Classic currently ranked number 210 in the world with a $960 million market cap and a volume of about $1.2 billion. That is up 183% over the past 24 hours. If we check this historical data, you can see that volume is much higher than anything we have seen in the past month. The last time we had a volume higher than this, it was May 22nd when the initial burns were announced. Ever since then, we have been doing about $100 million a day in volume, and now we are back to our previous highs. So really good to see there. If we take a look at the price over the past week, we have just absolutely killed it over the midweek until now, and we are just doing absolutely amazing. Not only that, but USTC is doing extremely well as well. They're up 63%. If you guys don't know, this is the old UST stablecoin, and it's now USTC, and it's trying to regain its peg. If it does regain its peg, that will be extremely good for the Terra Classic community. Their market cap is currently 700 million. Their volume is 372 million, which is up 121% over the past 24 hours. And their volume was basically just like $10 million. All of a sudden now they're seeing over $100 million in volume, and even over $350 million in volume. So doing extremely well here. But yeah, let's get into this news for today. But first, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1, and you're gonna get up to $300 of the free stock with public.com. It's a social investing app where you can see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. It's definitely worth it. Go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. But other than that, let's get into this video. So Terra Classic is on quantifiedcrypto.com. If you guys don't know, Terra Classic is going to be Quantified Crypto is going to be a place where you can check the technical score of different cryptos. Now they take into account technical analysis and everything like that, and they have given Terra Classic a 75 score. So that means they are slightly bullish, almost very bullish compared to the rest of the crypto market, which is not doing too hot. If you take a look at like Ethereum here, I believe they have like a 20 or something. A 20. They are basically very bearish. So a complete opposite of the rest of the market here. Terra Classic is currently ranked number 75, or sorry, it has a 75 technical score. And if you look at the trends for Terra Classic, they're all green in the past under 2 hours. So really good to see there. But let's go into what we're here to talk about in this video, and that's going to be the burns as well as the August 22nd date that you need to know. Sorry, I didn't mean to log out of Terra Classic earlier, but we did do so. So basically, if you guys don't know, Terra has a very large circulating supply. It has a 6.5 trillion Lunc circulating supply. In order to get back to 1 cent or $1, it's gonna take a lot of money, unless we get these burns to work. So you can see here, we have a burn mechanism in place now, and it's a 1.2% burn tax, whether you buy or sell. No matter what, 1.2% of your transaction is gonna be burned. We want to do that until the supply gets to 10 billion. Why 10 billion, you may ask? Well, we want it to be 10 billion because if we get to a 10 billion circulating supply, all we would need is for our market cap to be 100 million, which we are already far past. In order to get to 1 cent, at 1 billion, we would be at 10 cents, and then at 10 billion market cap, we would be at $1. So that is definitely a possibility. We've been there before. We'll get back there. But yeah, also I want to tell you guys about this August 22nd date. So this is the date where everyone will be able to stake and delegate once again, according to this proposal. So they want to re-enable staking and delegations to the current activator validator set. So they want to enable it for current active validators until August 22nd. On August 22nd, they want to open up staking and delegation to everyone once again. So make sure you guys have an eye out for August 22nd, and hopefully we'll get some burn news around then as well. But anyways, before we get into the technical analysis for this video, I do want to mention, join our free Discord. All you have to do is use the second link in the description, and you will get stock option plays, crypto plays. You're basically leaving free money on the table if you do not join this Discord. It's a very good Discord. We have been created a very lively community. Go and check it out yourself with the second link in the description. But lastly here, let's just go over this technical analysis. You can see here that we are currently trading between a pretty tight resistance and support level, but before we did even have a tighter resistance and support level. So I think we're going to see a very similar thing happen here, where we were trading between the 95 as well as the 79, and then we had a big breakout. Then we had a bull flag, and we had even a bigger breakout. Well, now we are consolidating, and we are trending down on the MACD technically, but the RSI is only 58. So we could technically see another break above this resistance at the 15, and if we do, we can see anywhere from 10 to 20% in gains, and that's what I'm most likely going to be predicting for you guys here. 10 to 20% over the next couple of days in gains for Lunc. So yeah, that's pretty much what I see happening. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free Discord with the second link in the description. Leave a like and subscribe. And that's all I got. My name is Zach from Finance Bro. Take it easy.